Do you let your nails breathe? Is it okay to take a break from dip powder? These are the questions I see quite often, so let's talk about it. Hi beauties, welcome back to Aloft Aloft. I was cutting my nails down and decided to video this highly requested process and also talk about taking a break from dip powder and whether or whether not you should let your nails breathe. As you can see, my nails are bare because I do indeed take breaks from dip powder. I even took breaks when I wore gel and acrylic nails. Right now, I'm only wearing clear polish, which you will see me remove in a second. As I said, I already started cutting down a couple of my nails off camera, which is why this one is now a nub. It lost a battle with the kitchen drawer, which, as we know, happens. But that's okay, because I'm still going to apply dip powder to it without hesitation. So now I'm just going to use acetone and a cotton round to remove the polish. So let's dive into this taking a break topic as I zoom in a little bit to remove this clear polish and continue cutting down my nails. Now I usually cut them first and then remove the polish, but for the sake of this video, I wanted to show you that I'm not wearing any builder gel or any other layer. So I'm going to remove the polish first and then resume clipping my nails. People take breaks, or as some may say, let their nails breathe, for many reasons. But let me say this, your nails do not need to breathe, and your nails do not need air. I know this is an age-old saying, but that is simply not the case. Your nails need moisture, but they do not need air. Really, it's your cuticles that need moisture, hence the push for the cuticle oil. But with that being said, people do take breaks for many reasons. Now, some may take breaks when they notice that their nails are brittle, a greenie is forming, or their nails are thinning. Now, if you don't know what a greenie is, greenies tend to happen when moisture gets trapped under your nail that has lifted. So it happens between your natural nail and the enhanced nail, whether it's dip, gel, or acrylic. The greenie happens in between that layer. Brittle and thinning nails usually occur due to overbuffing of the natural nail, or it can also happen when you improperly remove your enhanced nail, whether it be dip, gel, or acrylic. This includes when you pull them or rip them off, and it can also happen if you soaked your nails in acetone for way too long. Now, if you've been following my channel for a while and seen a few of my videos, then you know acetone is not my preferred method when removing nails. I actually use a version of acetone which is called Soak Off. It has acetone in it, but it's not 100% acetone because I find that it's more gentle on my nails as well as my hands in general, on my skin. So, you know, I'm all for soaking off nails, but again, I'm not a big fan of soaking them off in acetone. With that being said, I will say none of the reasons that I've mentioned so far are the reasons why I choose to take a break. So I take a break maybe 3 to 4 times a year. The reason being is because my nails naturally curve. And some of my nails curve more than others. And when I say curve, I don't mean just your standard round or oval shape. I mean they look more pinched in on the sides. Again, some more than others. Now, when I wear dip powder or even gel for an extended period of time, especially when I decide to not cut my nails and let them grow long like they were before I cut them in this video, I can start to feel my nails getting, not pain, but I can start to feel pressure along my nail bed because when I do wear the dip powder or even the gel powder, I cap my free edge. So when that happens and my nails start to grow out, they don't grow into their natural form or curve into their natural shape. So once I start to feel that pressure, then I just remove the dip, let my nails breathe. See, that's the age-old saying. But I remove the dip or whatever enhancement I'm wearing, and I'll just wear my natural nails for a week or even 2 weeks. And then I'll do like I'm doing in this video. I'll go back, cut them short, and then install a new set. Now, as we know, people take breaks for various reasons. There are some that can go years without taking a break. Taking a break from any enhancement, like I said, if it's gel, dip, or acrylic, is a personal preference. It's a personal choice. You have to do what is best for you and what is best for your nails. But even though I've said it in this video, please remember, we do not take breaks because our nails need to breathe. Although, again, it is an age-old saying, that is not the case. Okay, so my nails are clipped, filed, and buffed. It is now time for me to clean up my cuticles and decide on a color for my next set. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel to get more of Aloft to Loft. As always, thanks for watching.